This video shows you how to quickly create an always-free autonomous database, query data with included SQL Developer Web, and create an application with included Oracle Application Express. Always-free databases are suitable for small applications and learning about and exploring Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and Oracle Autonomous Database. Free databases let you build, test, and deploy on the cloud without consuming cloud credits. You can create always-free autonomous databases within Oracle Cloud Infrastructure accounts that are either paying accounts or free tier accounts. Note, free tier users can create and use free databases during their initial trial period and after the trial has ended, up to the allowed limits for free databases. Also, you can easily upgrade an always-free autonomous database to paid service in a single click. This upgrade to paid path preserves your stored data and enables expanding your database resources for higher performance and scalability. Get started by opening the Oracle.com homepage and clicking the button that says Oracle Cloud Free Tier. Here you can click Start for Free to sign up for a new free tier account, or if you already have an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account, simply click on Sign In to Cloud. Once you have a valid account and have used it to sign in to Oracle Cloud, in the Cloud console, click the corner menu icon to open the Service Navigation panel. This video shows the steps to create and use an always-free autonomous transaction processing database. The same steps apply for always-free autonomous data warehouse databases. From the navigation panel, select Autonomous Transaction Processing. The page for Autonomous Database appears. Click Create Autonomous Database. In the Create Autonomous Database dialog, select a compartment for the database from the drop-down list. Enter a name and display name for the database. Let's choose the workload type Autonomous Transaction Processing. You could alternately choose Data Warehouse as the workload type. Choose the deployment type Serverless. This choice runs the autonomous database on shared Exadata infrastructure provided by Oracle. Note that dedicated infrastructure is not available for always-free databases. Select the checkbox to create an always-free database. Note, this selection locks down the number of CPUs to 1 and storage capacity to 20 GB. Note also the auto-scaling option is locked to the off position. This means CPU and storage resources available to your free database will have a fixed limit. Oracle periodically provides previews of upcoming autonomous database version upgrades. Previews are not available with always-free databases. Specify an administrator password for the admin user of the database. For license type, always-free databases require the License Included choice. This enables production and non-production usage of the database at no cost for an unlimited time. Lastly, click Create Autonomous Database. The Create Autonomous Database dialog closes, bringing you to the New Databases Details page. Note the new database is clearly labeled as always free to distinguish it from paid databases. The lifecycle state field indicates the database is in provisioning status. When provisioning is finished, this field changes to available. Provisioning typically takes less than 5 minutes. From the Details page, click the Tools tab to directly access frequently used database tools. SQL Developer Web is an integrated web-based environment for developing SQL statements and PL/SQL scripts. It also provides basic administration for your database. Oracle Application Express, or APEX, is a low-code framework for rapidly building modern, data-driven web applications for mobile and desktop users right from your browser, no additional tools required. And ML User Administration enables setting up your Oracle Machine Learning users for data analytics, discovery, and visualizations. Let's take a look at SQL Developer Web. On the SQL Developer Web Worksheet tab, you can create and run SQL statements to query or act on your data. Here we are running a simple query against a table named Products. Results are shown in the Query Result panel below. On the Data Modeler tab, you can easily drag and drop tables from the navigator into a diagram and examine table properties and key relationships. Here we see the structure and relationships among 4 tables in the sales history schema. Data Modeler gives you an easy way to create and manage entity relationship diagrams for your data. Now let's return to the Cloud Console Tools tab and jump into Apex. On first use, you are prompted to sign in as database admin and create an initial Apex workspace. This workspace will be your shared work area where one or more developers can build and run Apex applications. Enter a new database username. This will automatically create a database schema and Apex workspace by the same name. Apex applications will be created against database objects in this schema. In this example, we enter App Builder for the database username, schema, and workspace. Click Create Workspace to continue. Next, we sign out of Apex Administration Services and sign in to our new Apex workspace as App Builder. We now see the Apex homepage. The four main areas of Apex are App Builder, SQL Workshop, Team Development, and App Gallery. Let's first open App Gallery to see the predefined applications that are available to us. Here are several useful predefined applications you can install and immediately use with your free database. There are productivity apps such as bug tracking, competitive analysis, and incident tracking. And there are sample apps such as sample charts and sample database application, to name a few. You can use the Create App wizard to rapidly create your own applications. Let's create an app in less than a minute by importing spreadsheet data from a file. In this example, we click From a File to upload a simple CSV. We will upload data from a popular GitHub source, the data behind The Economist's hamburger price index. Click Choose File to upload the spreadsheet file. Select the CSV and click Open. The data is automatically uploaded, inspected, and staged by Apex. Here in the Load Data dialog, you can provide further formatting for the data, see a preview of columns, and specify a table name. Click Load Data to continue. The table is created with 628 rows of data. Click Continue to Create Application Wizard. On the Create Application Wizard page, provide a name for your new application, accept other defaults, and click Create Application to finish. In a few seconds, you're done creating the application and ready to run it on your always free database. Here you can see we are signing in to the live application. By default, this application provides table, column, and dashboard chart views of the data in your always free database. From here, you can easily experiment with additional Apex functionality and refine or expand the capabilities of your application. This has been a quick tour of Always Free Autonomous Database. There is much more to see and do with your database. We invite you to learn more by going to oracle.com/cloud/free.